But even if the GT Sport can't quite deliver sporty driving zen, it's still a competent car and has other virtues to recommend it. The standard leather seats are supportive enough for day-long stints, and every example packs dual-zone automatic climate control and rear HVAC vents. With all seats upright, the 170.9-inch long hatchback boasts a competitive 25 cubic feet of luggage space. Folding the 64-teeth split rear seatbacks expands that figure to 55 cubes. Both of those numbers are just ahead of the Volkswagens, but a tallish liftover height could make loading heavy items somewhat difficult. The Elantra GT Sport boasts a long list of included goodies, including LED head and tail lights, a blind spot monitoring system, a proximity key with push-button start, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. An available Sport Tech package adds a navigation system, a panoramic sunroof, ventilated seats, adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assist, automatic high beams, and more, but unfortunately the package is available only with the automatic. Pricing has yet to be released, but we expect the GT Sport to start under $24,000, or roughly $1,000 more than the Elantra Sport sedan. While the Elantra GT Sport is poised to be a great value and is certainly a good car, it can't quite match up to the vaunted, and admittedly more expensive, Volkswagen GTI in terms of driving enjoyment.